Today, we will take the first step in setting up our LLC with Stripe Atlas. Stripe Atlas gathers all your application documents, assigns you a register agent, and then applies for your EIN number. Freelance Stack is offering its members a 50% discount on Stripe Atlas. With this code, we'll pay $250 instead of $500. We've claimed the discount. You can see it above the form. After completing the registration form, the Stripe Atlas application form will open. We verify our email address beforehand. After successfully completing the email address verification, we can begin the company establishment process. As you can see, it asks what type of company we will establish. We will establish an LLC here now. We enter the name of our company, some descriptions of our company, and our company's web address. We are establishing a single-member LLC. Now it's time to specify our company's address. The address you specify in this last step is really important because your company registration will be made to this address, and your tax documents will be mailed to this address. You can use your stable address here. Visit from 0 to LLC.com to rent a virtual address from Stable with a 20% discount.